It's time to cook with Susan Beck. New Year's is arriving this coming week, and I thought it'd be a great time to show you my family's favorite dip. We've been making this dip for years, from the time I was a small child until now. In fact, one year my mother decided not to make this dip and to just use ranch dressing instead, and oh my, that only happened once. Now we're back to making this simple dip. I have 1 cup of Miracle Whip already in my container here. Mayonnaise would be fine if that's what your family prefers. I'm going to add to that 1 cup of sour cream. Again, I'm using this nice little measuring cup that pushes out sticky substances like mayonnaise, sour cream, Miracle Whip, honey, peanut butter. I'll put a link today down below to help you find that if you are interested in purchasing one for yourself, since I have been recommending and using it in quite a few of my videos. So into this dip will go 4 different spices. I'm going to be using 1½ teaspoons of dough weed, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1½ tablespoons of parsley, and 1½ teaspoons of Beau Monde seasoning. This is a Spice Islands gourmet blend, and if I read on the label here, it says there's salt, onion, and celery seed inside it. The last time I ran out of it, I had to buy it on Amazon. It was not available in my little local grocery store, but when I taste it, I can really taste the celery. That really stands out to me in this seasoning. To me, it's the key ingredient that really makes this dip different than other dips. So it's simply a dump and pour in these 6 different ingredients, 4 of which are spices, and stir until everything is incorporated. It's a great dip for a summer picnic, a tailgating party, or any family get-together where you want to serve some vegetables before the main meal. So that's all there is to this. Once everything's incorporated, the flavors really start to blend together better if you leave it sit overnight. Time to give this dip a try. I peeled myself a carrot here. It's so good. Something about that Beau Monde seasoning that just really gives this a different taste than any other vegetable dip recipe I've ever bought or made from scratch. I think you should give it a try too.